I mean, look at this. Look at this. You're on the white line, sir. That wheel is touching. That lady said because this guy parked like an idiot, she can't park properly. And I said to her, maybe this guy can't park.
Hey, are you drunk or something?
But sir, look at the way you're parking.
I'm in the white line.
It's touching the white line, sir.
No, really?
I mean, look at the space on the right you've got. Now you're parking way to the left. I mean, can't you aim, sir? Do you park in your garage the same way?
Is this a joke? Is this a joke? You work for Leon Schuster? Or
No, so I'm just doing my work because this lady was really upset.
But why is she upset? Look how she parks.
Because you park left, now she don't know how to park. You know what I'm saying, sir? I mean, if you can't park...
Hey man, you must be, there's a camera or something.
Then everyone can't park.
Hey, I'm in between the lines. What do you want me to do?
No, so there's not between the lines, it's way to the left.
Man, you're smoking your socks, my friend. Where are you from?
So come have a look here. Look at the way he parks, this man. I'm sure you don't have a license. Look at this. Look at this. Meneer, ek sê vir die man het nie 'n lisensie nie, hoor. Ek sê
jy seker gerook. Waar kom jy vandaan?
Jy moet gaan leer.
Jy moet gaan slaap as jy.
Nee meneer, as ons mense kry wat nie kan parkeer nie.
Nee, kom ons gaan gou na die
Nee, asseblief, ek het 2 complaints reeds gekry, meneer. Hy sal my fire, meneer. Meneer, hy sal my fire asseblief tog, meneer. Ek sal gefire word onmiddellik.